Hello friends, welcome back. And today is a video on Monstera deliciosa. Now this is a mother plant from where I got a piece of a root and which I have been propagating for some time. So I'm going to share the entire process from where I got this root to my place and to what it is looking like today. So here we start. This is a plant after a week's time after I rooted it in soil and gave it a support of a wooden branch that was lying around in my garden. The root which I had bought from the mother plant had a tiny little shoot, and that shoot has grown to this size, and this is how it looks. Now here I could mention to you the soil mixture that I have used. Here I have used, you can say, 25% of coco peat. I have used 25% of vermicompost. Now 50% I have used garden soil, and you can say a handful of it as perlite. Actually I cut the mother plant, the root, into 3 pieces. One I have grown vertically. Now this one I have been growing horizontally in a bonsai pot, and it has given out these shoot here. And the third one I have propagated in water. So let me show you that as well. This is the one that I have been propagating in water. Now these are all a week to 10 days old from the time I have got it from the mother plant. In about a week's time, that shoot has grown into a full leaf and given out another shoot next to it. I have kept this plant in a spot where it gets bright indirect sunlight. So it is not getting the direct sunlight, nor the morning sunlight or the afternoon sunlight, but bright indirect sunlight, and it is working just fine for this plant. This I can safely say because of the growth that it is giving me. This leaf looks wonderful because it's a baby leaf and has just opened out, and it still has its cuts. No wonder this is a most sought after Monstera plant that we see on Instagram and on YouTube. This is the leaf of the Monstera plant that has been growing horizontally, and it is also giving wonderful growth, but then those markings and those cuts are not there. This is after another week the new leaf has unfolded. This is the first leaf, and the second leaf is unfolding now again. So this one has the full marking and the full cuts, but the piece that is growing horizontally has not given me any of this cuts. This is the one which has been growing in water. This again does not have any of the split leaf or the markings or the cuts. So it is only the one which has a support of that wooden piece is what is giving me those cuts. So the second leaf has already opened up, and you can see the small roots that have been attached to the wooden piece that I have given, and it is also giving out aerial roots. So this plant has established itself in the garden. Now in case of the watering aspect of it, I water this plant only when the topmost layer, an inch or an inch and a half, goes dry. So when this layer goes dry, then only I water it, and it is working quite well because I'm not waiting for complete dry out before or in between the two waterings. This is the actual view of my plants as of today. So this is how they look after this journey of about 21 to almost 30 days in my garden. The prized one is the one which is growing vertically with the support of that wooden piece. The one in the water also has not given out any markings. that is all friends. Thank you so much for watching. I see you again.